What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Netvue, and we're taking a look at their 1080p indoor security camera known as the Orb Mini. This thing is insane. It only comes in at around $25 to $30, and yet it can do so much. If you want security inside of your house for $20 to $30, I mean, why not? You might as well get like 4 of these, set them up everywhere, and be pretty much set to go. Now, why exactly is the Orb Mini so interesting? Well, you get FHD video. On top of that, this is streamed directly to your phone, but inside of the application itself, you get two-way talk. It's also motion activated, so it can actually detect when people are moving around or someone comes to your house who shouldn't be there, so on and so forth. It also connects to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, and the reason a lot of smart products use 2.4 versus 5G is because 2.4 gigahertz's range is a little bit further, which is really nice. Another cool thing is you also do have cloud storage and privacy protection as well, along with a 1-year warranty and lifetime service in case anything does happen to this particular device. Now, the CVR year refers to a 1-year continuous video recording. In the basic plan, EVR MON is a 30-day event video recording in the basic plan. So keep that in mind. Do look into their CVR versus EVR plans and whatnot before you go and purchase this, so you know what you're doing. The overall camera quality on this thing is really awesome. You get full 1080p. It also has really good service. I have been able to access this pretty much anywhere, and the nice thing is you can actually access this anywhere in the world, but the stream quality is really nice even when you are far away from your router, because there's this cool little antenna built directly onto it, so no need to worry about this thing not being far away enough, which is really nice. You also get full 360 coverage because this thing is a tilt camera, pan camera, so this thing is able to make a full-on 360. So if you want to point it towards your, I don't know, maybe the baby sleeping or something of those sorts, and then you want to flip it around and get a view of the kitchen and just make sure everything is safe and whatnot, you're good to go in terms of that. The other cool thing is if you hang this up, or if you go and install this properly onto the wall, you can actually go and have this swivel downwards and upwards and right to left. So now, of course, you can go see something that's all the way on the ground, something that's up on the ceiling, so on and so forth. You get 110-degree tilt along with 360-degree pan, which is really nice. It does have night vision, so if you are worried about it not working as soon as, it gets nighttime or something of those sorts, no need to worry. You can place this down anywhere, even in a completely pitch black room, and the night vision will come into play, and of course, it will basically give you a feed that's more or less black and white. However, it does work very well. On top of it, you also do get an SD card installation as well, so if you want to save the footage that is recording, you can record directly onto the SD card reader. And of course, it is cloud and Amazon Alexa enabled, so you can give it set it up with Alexa and have it, I don't know, maybe show the stream, or there's a lot of cool ways to automate Alexa, and it's all in all just really cool. You could be like, Alexa, show me the kitchen. If you have multiple of these, you could be like, Alexa, show me the garage, so on and so forth, and it'll work very well. All in all, guys, don't forget to go ahead and check out the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.